If your Ford Explorer is blowing hot air, don't sweat it. Most AC issues follow a very specific pattern of failure. Statistically, 70% of Explorer cooling failures are caused by low refrigerant levels due to a slow leak. Before you start buying parts, let's walk through the diagnostic process to find the actual culprit. Start with the basics by checking the fuse box and listening for the audible click of the compressor clutch. If you hear a clicking sound in the dash, your blend door actuator is likely stripped and stuck on heat. If the compressor pulley spins but the center plate doesn't, the internal clutch or the coil has failed. A DIY recharge kit might get you through the week, but a shop repair addresses the actual leak. Repair costs vary wildly, ranging from a simple recharge to a heavy bill for a new compressor. Use manifold gauges to see if the system is holding pressure or if there is a blockage in the lines. Always wear safety glasses when working with pressurized refrigerant to prevent serious eye injury. Remember that more is not always better. Overcharging your AC system can lead to a total compressor lockout. Follow these steps to get your Ford Explorer's AC back in action. Stay cool and drive safe.